I'm going to show you a real simple problem. It's a geometry problem, but don't worry about that. It's not a difficult problem. It's one that someone in high school would be able to do. And it's a problem that you're going to be able to see the answer right away. So here's our problem. We're going to start by drawing a square. And inside that square, we're going to draw a yellow circle that just fits inside the square. In the corners, there's space available where we're going to be able to draw two more circles. And if you look in the corner even closer, you'll see that there's space to draw yet another circle. And if you zoom in on that, you'll find that in the corner there's still room to draw another circle. Now, what's interesting about this problem is that you can have an infinite number of circles fit in those corners. Now the next thing is that we're going to put that blue square inside of a gray square. And the side of that gray square is 1 unit in length. And our question is going to be, what is the total circumference of all the yellow circles? Now the way we can go about solving that problem is by taking the circles that are in one of the corners and move them up to the other corner so that now all of the circles lie on a diagonal line that cuts across the blue square. If we take that entire picture and we rotate it, we'll see that all of those circles lie on the same diagonal of the blue square. And the length of that diagonal is 1. So what does that tell us? That tells us that the sum of the diameters of all those circles equals 1. And the circumference of all those circles must be equal to pi times the sum of the diameters, which would be pi times 1. And so the final answer would be that the circumference of all those circles equals the number pi. Now let's see how AI is able to solve the problem. We use the free version of Gemini, Gemini 3 Flash. It's a web-based model that's considered state-of-the-art as of 2026. We typed in a description of the problem, hit submit, and within a few seconds, we got an answer from Gemini. Gemini correctly understood that it needed to find out the sum of the diameters of all those yellow circles, multiply that by pi to get the total circumference. But it took a different approach in finding out the sum of all those diagonals. Whereas we as humans can simply look at the picture and by rearranging where those circles are a little bit, realize that they all fit on a line that equals a length of 1. So we know the total length or total diameter is 1, and we get a total circumference of pi. Gemini has to do it differently. It realizes that the ratio of the successive diameters of the circles follows a constant ratio. And so it uses its knowledge of an infinite sum of a series of a geometric progression to come up with what the answer is for the total length of all the diagonals. So what did we learn in this exercise? We saw that AI is very good with knowledge of math, geometric series, infinite sum of a geometric series. It's able to figure out what the ratio of successive circles is in the problem. But it lacks a sense of visual intuition. It had to go through quite a bit of algebra and math to come up with the right answer, whereas a human is able to essentially solve the problem using their visual intuition. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to subscribe, please do so. Thanks.